Alright guys, I'm running this for Zach. He's got to pick one here. 10 spots at 350. We will grab the list. We gotta go live first. Hang on one sec. I'm running a video. Alright, let's go live. Sorry guys. We are live. 9:15 p.m. 9:15 p.m. Grab the list. Quiet, please. Alright, I will grab the list here. Sorry guys, my kid wants me. Alright, got the list here. 10 spots. We will drop that into random. 10 entries. Jody on the bottom and Michael Thomas on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 6. We're going 6 times. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 times. Dice is a 6. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 6. Congrats to Troy. Spot 2. You are the winner. Get in touch with Zach. He will get that to you. We are done. 9:16 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 9:16 and 9:16. Here is the verification code and the timestamp.